What's good, Wave Gang? Y'all see the title? Let's get right into my scalp journey from 540 waves to 360 waves. Let go. Before we get into that, let me show y'all a few samples of what my 540 waves look like before the scalp. This was a point where I was in a complete comfort stage of my pattern, but I was really ready to start something new, which led me to the scalp. So in May of 2022, I scalped to go on the beehive journey. About a month or two went by and ripples started to come in. I had to change a lot of my angles along with breaking the habit of how I used to brush my 540 waves. At this point of my journey, I noticed the hard work in changing my angles paid off. I completely broke down my 540 waves foundation and transformed into a 360 waves foundation. To be honest, this was the point where I started to miss my swirl, I ain't gonna lie. I thought to myself, if I keep brushing with this pattern, there ain't gonna be no turning back. So I scalped again in March of 2023. So technically it took me between 8 to 10 months to build a good foundation from a scalp. When I combine what I learned from my first scalp and the knowledge already learned from my 540 journey, I had a better understanding of how to tweak my new 540s. That experience helped tweak my crown and back waves to create a cleaner flow with my 540s. Looking at the before and after images, a few changes were made overall in defining my scalp journey, but overall I had fun with the journey. If you're thinking about scalping and starting your own journey, let me know in the comments and I'm sure me and the community can help you get to where you want to be. Also, if you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more wavy tips and updates. Until next time, keep that brush moving.